Happy Thursday, everybody. It's Dr. Matt with Full Potential Chiropractic. We're leaving for Dallas on Saturday, right? Or actually tomorrow for a seminar in Dallas. And we'll be back late Saturday night, but it made me think of something, right? So I was getting my stuff around, just packing, and there's certain things that I always take with me or always think about. So, where am I flying to? How long's the flight? What airports? Because I want to make sure I can stay on track with my health as much as possible. So a couple things, I'm always looking out to see what kind of gym the hotel has, so I can pack the right clothes, the shoes, whatever it is, my music, so I can get a nice workout in, stay on track. I may not do a big, heavy workout, but I want to make sure I get the blood flowing, muscles moving, all that good stuff. Not the other thing, right? Taking my nutrition, so any supplements, protein, collagen, anything to help my workout, anything like that, I'm definitely taking in a Ziploc bag. Of course, I'm that guy getting stopped in the airport thinking I'm smuggling drugs because they're testing all these powders that I have. So that's okay. It's part of the thing, and so it keeps me on track. Then also, too, any snacks, right? So for sure, getting a water, they have those filtered water systems at the airports after you get through the checkout. Can't take it through checkout, but you can get it after checkout. And any healthy snacks, right? Depending on how long the trip. Is it nonstop? Is it, am I stopping somewhere? So I know Grand Rapids Airport doesn't really have a whole lot. So I know we're flying out of Chicago and they have a lot of stuff. But sometimes when you get in the airports where they are getting a lot better with healthier options, obviously, the healthier options, the healthier the prices. So definitely take whatever I can to alleviate some of that cost, because I don't want to, spend, $15 on a 1 ounce bag of jerky. So definitely looking out for any high protein source. Like I said, if it's a bag of cashews, almonds, some jerky. If you do have to eat or want to eat at the airport, looking for those healthier options, right? In the morning, right? Any place that's got eggs, any type of protein. And again, it doesn't have to be breakfast food, right? There's plenty of salads, wraps, anything like that to help your body, right? Stay away from all the greasy fast food, because that's going to put a lot of salt in your body. You're going to swell up before you get there, cause a lot of immune issues. So you want to make sure you enjoy your trip as much as possible. So just a couple things to think about when you're traveling, because I hear it all the time, right? Traveling is very stressful in the fact that you're having to pack all this stuff, whether it's 1 day trip or a 7-day trip, right? You're packing all this stuff, getting everything around, your nervous system's being overwhelmed by all this amount of stress that you're having to take on. Getting to the airport, getting everything undone, then you feel like you're run down for the next couple of days while you're on the trip. So just plan as much as you can, plan all the healthy things, take all the healthy things with you, just to make sure your body can heal and adapt, because it is stressful traveling for your body. So hopefully these traveling tips help out you guys. Have a wonderful Thursday.